A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the cosmic blueprint, brain, body, and the intelligence of living. Ladies and gentlemen, human existence on Earth is not confined to biology. It is interwoven with the cosmos itself. Every signal in the human body, from a heartbeat to a thought, is guided by energy patterns that resonate with the universe. Photons, gravitational waves, electromagnetic fields, and quantum particles flow continuously across space, subtly interfering with life on Earth. The human brain, a marvel of evolution, is perhaps the most sophisticated receiver and processor of this cosmic energy, an instrument capable of aligning the self with the universe. The energy that sustains life originates from both within and beyond. Internally, the brain operates through complex electrochemical signals produced by the movement of ions across neuronal membranes. These signals are transmitted across the nervous system, controlling everything from muscle contraction to hormone release and emotional balance. Externally, the brain remains constantly receptive to cosmic rhythms, daylight cycles, geomagnetic forces, and subtle energy fields that regulate human biology. This bidirectional intelligence is mediated through autonomic nervous system, divided into the sympathetic, that is fight or flight, and parasympathetic, that is rest and digest branches. Both work in concert to maintain physiological harmony. Central to this is the vagus nerve, a bridge between the brain and vital organs, particularly the gut. Modern neuroscience confirms what ancient wisdom long held. The gut is a second brain. It houses over 100 million neurons and plays a pivotal role in mood, immunity, and metabolism. Disruptions to the gut-brain axis have been linked to non-communicable diseases such as type 2 diabetes, depression, anxiety, and even neurodegenerative conditions. Scientific inquiry now validates what systems like Ayurveda and yogic traditions understood millennia ago, that lifestyle choices deeply impact both the body's energy systems and their cosmic alignment. Ayurveda's concept of ojas, for example, is now mirrored in the understanding of mitochondrial efficiency and immune resilience. Yogic practices like pranayama improve vagal tone, directly influencing parasympathetic activation. Food, according to these systems, is not merely sustenance but a conduit of energy. Its type, timing, preparation, and consumption state all play a role in physiological balance and brain clarity. Neuronal energy is also influenced by circadian alignment, another ancient insight. Studies have shown that irregular sleep, erratic eating, and high stress environments alter neuronal firing patterns, degrade gut health, and destabilize mood and cognition. As these systems falter, the expression of DNA, the internal program of life, also becomes impaired. What is the way forward? A recalibrated way of living emerges at the intersection of science and ancient knowledge. This involves aligning circadian rhythms, restoring gut health, rebalancing nervous system tone, and enhancing neuronal integrity. Through mindful routines, balanced nutrition, breath regulation, and rest, it is possible to optimize the brain's interface with cosmic energy. Such alignment fosters not only health and clarity, but also a deeper harmony with the natural order. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the Bhagavad Gita, the guidance is profound and clear. He who is temperate in eating and recreation, balanced in work and regulated in sleep, can mitigate all sorrows through the practice of yoga. This timeless wisdom finds renewed meaning in the scientific age. The cosmic energy has never been absent. It is the human lifestyle and internal rhythm that often diverge from it. To return to alignment is not to abandon modernity, but to enrich it with insight, intention, and intelligence. The human brain, when nourished and balanced, becomes more than an organ. It becomes a medium for thriving within the body and within the cosmos. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.